what we're looking at here is the World Wide Web, and the first thing that we want to say about the World Wide Web is that the World Wide Web is not the same as the internet. So what you've got is you have the internet, which is all of the structure, all of the components, and the way in which the computers communicate with each other. And the World Wide Web sits above the internet, and it's one of the services which the internet provides. So the other services you might get, you've got voice over IP, you've got FTP, you've got all kinds of other services. The World Wide Web is the one which is delivered via Hypertext Transfer Protocol or the secure version of Hypertext Transfer Protocol. And so we're just going to take a little look through and see how this works. So what you have with the World Wide Web is you first of all have a computer. And so this is your home computer. And when you request a web page, what happens is it goes off to the internet and says, I want to have a web page, and the first one whichever looks for is always called something like index.html or possibly index.php, something like that. And so this page gets requested, and it gets requested from some domain. So it might be something like google.co.uk/. And so you go off and you request the page, and it goes off to some other computer on the web. So it goes through all the other routers until it gets to some other computer on the web. And this computer is called a server. And your computer is called a client. And the whole model is called a client-server model. And so you request the page from the server goes and looks up where the page is in its folders, in its directories, or it might generate the page for you, and then it returns that page all the way back for you. And you read that page on a piece of software called a web browser. And the thing which delivers it to you, so you have this server, this computer, and it will be a web server which finds the document and then sends it back to you. And so that's on a very basic level what's going on when you request a web page.